Track location expenses for accurate cost control and reporting. Expense tracking begins in the Location Management module to centralize operational spending per specific retail location. The location expenses listing provides a comprehensive audit trail of all site-specific costs. Adding a new expense record initiates the financial documentation process for a specific site location. Location expense type categorizes the spend for precise budgetary reporting and analysis. Expense name specifies the costs directly related to fuel storage and maintenance infrastructure. Selecting the specific tank identifies which asset is incurring the operational cost. The amount field records the exact financial value of the transaction for ledger accuracy. Identifying the vendor ensures that all payments are tracked against the correct service provider and necessary supporting documents for the expenses attached. The expense date establishes the period for tax calculations and monthly financial reconciliation. Entering a reference number provides a unique identifier for cross-referencing external invoices. The ref date captures the original document date for audit consistency. Detailed descriptions clarify the nature of the work for internal review and historical tracking. Successful submission updates the expense log with the newly verified financial data. This systematic logging ensures accurate overhead management and improves site-level profitability transparency. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.